Hey, it's Arit here from essetinomedia, helping you create profitable content. I wanted to share with you a new offer that we recently put out there, created just for you, because we've had a lot of people come to us asking for help with YouTube. They see our success with our channel, with our business. YouTube has really been our marketing and sales engine for our business. It's what allowed me to quit my full-time job. Now I'm able to really expand my impact to all corners of the globe at the same time while having a consistent way of getting clients. So that's always the part that I struggled with the most in the beginning stages of my business, is how do I keep that consistent revenue coming in? How do I continuously get new clients? YouTube was really that thing that helped us expand, helped us grow. We put tutorials and videos out there on our channel, as some of you may have seen, all related to helping you grow your business, marketing, creating content, designing, video editing. And in doing so, we not only earn ad revenue on those videos, but also it generates leads for us. People contact us from it. They come to our website. They opt into our email forms. So it's really a high leverage way of growing our business that I wanted to share with you. Now, what we're offering is to hold your hand through creating at least 90 days worth of content on your YouTube channel. So we'll help you set up your channel. We'll take a look at your offer, your coaching offer, whatever it is that you're selling, your product or service. Make sure it's good to go. And this is really a coaching program that we're offering, one-on-one, personalized. We really are guiding you every step of the way, but at the same time, we're helping you get things done. So it's also a done for you service. We'll set up your channel for you with gorgeous banners. Make sure people know exactly what to expect when they're landing on your page. We'll help you with thumbnail design. We'll help you with editing and SEO. That's search engine optimization, which is really, what you put in the titles and how you describe the video so that YouTube's algorithm will know to show that video to more people when they type it into the search engines. That's the main way we've been able to grow our channel organically, just people finding our videos through YouTube's search engine as well as Google's search engine. And we haven't really done much paid advertising. It's just all been organic. Over 80% of the traffic to our channel is just organic through SEO methods. So we're offering to build this system for you where we help you build your channel. We'll help you get traffic to the channel, teaching you our SEO methods and even doing some of them for you. And we'll also help you with the conversion side of things, meaning when someone watches that video, what makes them click on that link to go to your website? And what are they seeing on your website as well? Is that going to convert? It's really the whole picture that we want to help you here with, to help you grow your business and help you to see the value in your YouTube channel and video marketing, what video marketing can do for you. If that sounds like something that would be helpful to you, I invite you to book a call with us. So I'm going to put a link in the description below that takes you to a page where you'll see our calendar embedded there. You can take a look at the days and times that work best for you, book in a time with us, and let's start the conversation on how we can help, see if we'd be a good fit. And if so, we'll show you a little bit more in terms of what exactly is included in this coaching program and this done for you service. I just want to show you what's possible here. For us personally, our revenue streams that are built into the channel is not only our coaching services that we sell, but also I do design work, I do course implementation. We have online courses that are also selling. This is all through our YouTube videos, affiliate commissions coming in, and of course, ad revenue. Which was over here. Just consistent ad revenue is just a bonus on top of everything else, right? So we're going to show you exactly how to do this. And you don't need to build, 10 income streams yourself into the channel. You could really, in fact, we advise to just focus in on one first when you're first starting out, because these other revenue streams have really been layered on top over time for us. But the entire goal here is to help you get set up in the best possible way so that you know you're doing things right. You're not shooting in the dark. You're not wasting time focusing on different aspects of YouTube. This is really, our program is really all about helping you grow your business with YouTube. And of course, doing it in a high leveraged way, because we're all busy as entrepreneurs. We're doing a ton of different things. And for me, I know if I can do something more efficiently, then I'm going to do it that way. And we've built our systems over time, our frameworks, our methods, which we're going to share with you. And the program is a 90-day program where we're going to work with you to optimize each one of these things that you see on the screen here. So we'll take a look at your offer, your service, your product, your coaching offer. What is your messaging around that offer? What is your pricing? I've had over 10 years of experience in the e-learning industry and also in terms of landing page design. So I know about copy, I know about how to draw the eye to certain places so that the visitor on the page takes action. So I'm going to give you all of that experience. We're going to incorporate it for you to make sure that your offer is optimized and ready to go when that traffic comes in from your YouTube channel. Next thing we're going to look at is what types of video content do you want to create? How can we utilize your strengths, your expertise, so that you're really positioning yourself as an authority and you're building trust. That's the whole thing here through video content. Is it's an easy way to connect with your viewers, to help them see and experience already what it's like to be working with you just through your videos. And most of all, creating video content that calls them to some form of action, whether that's clicking on a link, subscribing, sharing the video, anything like that. We're also going to implement a system for you so you can stay consistent with creating videos. And it doesn't involve you pulling your hair out and trying to get a video released last minute. What we want to do is schedule 90 days worth of content, of videos at least once a week, one video a week going out on your channel. And if you can do it, if you can shoot for it, we'll even help you get to 1 year's worth of content. Just imagine what a year's worth of video content going out on your YouTube channel can do for you. How much that would free you up to work on other things in your business and also in your life. You'll also be implementing our search engine optimization 5-step method, which is pretty easy to do. I've taught, people who've had zero experience with SEO, and at first SEO sounds like this intimidating thing, like you need to be a tech savvy person, but it's really not once you know the steps. So it's just a matter of knowing what to do with your titles and all of the metadata in the video when you go to schedule it. And of course, we'll talk about how can you make that money? How can you see that revenue coming in? What call to actions do you have in your videos? And everything will be customized according to what you want your channel and your videos to do for you, whether that's growing your email list, getting more coaching clients, or just simply expanding your impact and sharing your knowledge with more people. So when you click on the link below, it'll take you to this landing page right here. You can feel free to watch this video message from us to learn a little bit more. You'll come here, you'll see testimonials of people that we've worked with, and you'll also see our calendar here, which you can come in here, book a day and a time that works for you. It's a free 45-minute call where we'll sit together. I'll ask you some questions to really understand you, where you're at and your business. And if it's a good fit, I'll also share in detail what our coaching program and our Done For You service includes, so we can help you grow your YouTube channel, grow your business, and expand your impact. Even if this is something that you're just curious about, I want you to take action on it because we have a very limited amount of spots. This is very hands-on, one-on-one guidance that we're working with you here. And we only really have less than 5 spots available right now at the time of filming this video, because we want to give you everything we've got. With this program as well, you'll be connected with us through WhatsApp or another direct messaging service where you'll be able to ask us questions at any time you get stuck with your YouTube channel. We're giving you everything we've got here. So go ahead, click on the link below, schedule a free call with us, and we look forward to meeting you and getting to know your business. Thank you so much for watching, for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.